Ni mi chikawa. Ni mi chi ka wa. Ni mi chikawa. So this ni is the subject prefix, which means a person, right? The subject I. Meets is an object prefix or infix as well. And it means an action being done to you. And this is the verb to greet, right? The direct translation to chikawa is to strengthen. And remember that this one right here is pronounced as mi, mi, mi. And this is an action between two people, a greeting between two people. Okay? Between two people. Phonetically, how you pronounce it, it's ni, mi, chi, ga, wa. Now, what if you want to create a group of people? Now that changes. This is for a group of people. Starts out the same, ni, mi, chi, ga, wa. We're going to add imeme. And this is the part that means to you all. Ni mi chikawa imeme, ni mi chikawa imeme, ni mi chikawa imeme. So this is a greeting that I encourage you to say during class time when you arrive in class, or you can also type it in the chat. Now, when we're parting ways, that's a different greeting, and that is, so let's just write when we're parting ways, when we're leaving class. That's the muy das que. This the and this ske is something that we are doing in the future. The with the ske. This mo is called a reflexive particle or object prefix. Sorry, reflexive prefix. Something you do to ourselves. And ita is the verb to see. To see. And this part is a future tense because we will see each other. This is what it means. We will see each other. Timoitaske. Timoitaske. This D is the subject prefix we. And this indicates the future. Timoitaske.